Thank you for stopping by. My name is Danny Kane. Today we shall talk about what affiliate marketing is all about with reference to whether it is a referral program or not. This video will explain better if affiliate marketing is a program of bring two persons that will bring three persons that will bring five persons. That ideology that is left in the system, particularly in Nigeria, whereby some businesses or some online businesses or even offline business as well involves chain of command, whereby one has to bring two persons into the business before earning, and the person brought into the business will have to bring another as a means of earning from the business. So, and this is why a lot of people hasn't been making money as others are making through affiliate marketing. I had always noted that affiliate marketing is the easiest business you can do online because it has little or no risk. So if this is your first time of visiting this channel, kindly click on the subscription button below and give us a thumbs up, and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell. So today we shall look at affiliate marketing to know whether it is a referral program or not. We shall look at affiliate marketing to know whether it's a referral program or not. And this is because a lot of people has the fear in them that if they start affiliate marketing, they may end up bringing in people from time to time so that they will also get to start the business, and they felt that is what other people do. And no problem, it's not a hard thing to think. It's not wrong for you thinking that way, because I know that you may had always wondered why people always talk about this business all the time. If it's paying, would they have to tell others before they earn? If it is actually paying, do they have to tell others before they make some money? And that is why they always try to figure out what the business is actually about. I have a video explaining giving full details of what affiliate marketing is all about and how you can become a high paid affiliate. You will find that in the description, of this video, where I noted that the video with which you can learn the full gist concerning what digital marketing is all about. At the same time, I want to remind you that affiliate marketing is not a referral program. You may quickly feel like knowing what a referral is. What is referral? What is referral? Referral is an act of referring someone, introducing someone or something for consultation, review, or further actions. You refer people for the purpose of consultation, to consult that particular thing you refer them to, or to review that particular thing, or to further take actions like purchasing a product, like paying visitations, and many other things. That could be reasons for referring someone or something for a particular thing. So now this is the actual meaning and generalized meaning of a referral. So each time referral is mentioned, do not feel it is a program of bring two persons that will bring three persons. I know most language that are being used concerning this business is recommendation. Recommendation is the same, is in fact is synonymized as a referral, because when you recommend someone for something, then you actually give such person the morale to go into such business, or to go and have knowledge of that part of another thing, hoping to get a better result. Or recommend to someone because it's something you've either tested or have heard how good it is, or something that can serve the person better. While referral is letting someone get to see something somewhere for their own personal usage. The usage could be for consultation, for review, or for further action. Now let me remind you quickly what affiliate marketing is all about, how affiliate marketing works. If you are an affiliate, the duty of affiliates is to promote a product or service on their website. You can either have a website, or you use WhatsApp to market, or you use Facebook, or even use your Instagram, let's say your social media handles to promote products. And when you promote these products, people will patronize you because a lot of people are actually interested in such business, in such product you are promoting. And those products that are being promoted are digital products and direct sales. So affiliate marketing is not all about online sales. You can do affiliate marketing offline. So when we try to make mention of Jumia, we mention Udemy, we will mention um, other products like in ClickBanks, and also in some other things that are in fields of let's say um, JVZoo. They are all affiliate marketing platform. You can also consider affiliate platforms like Uber. Uber is also an affiliate business whereby they refer people to drivers, they refer passengers to drivers, and the customer could be converted to wherever they are going to. So all these things are also affiliate marketing business, whereby it is required of you to recommend products or services to people that would want to take advantage of such recommendation. So, and in such cases, you are not doing what? You are not into bring two persons that will bring two persons that will bring three persons. And that is the misconceptions that I want to correct to some people who had wanted to go into affiliate marketing regarding the amount of money that are being made in such business. And it's been the easiest business that one can do online. So each time an affiliate promotes a product or a service on their website or on their WhatsApp or on their social media handle, now the product would be received by a customer, whereby a customer will click on a link that will take them to make their choice or to pay for that product. And when they pay the product, conversions are tracked because the product has been paid. This conversion is being tracked by affiliate marketplace. Example, Expatriate, ClickBanks, Amazon itself, Udemy, and many more. So the transaction is being tracked by the affiliate companies. So now when the conversion is tracked, the affiliate will receive commission, and the company pays the affiliate a commission because he recommended a product, a high valuable product to customers. So, and the customer, after reviewing the product and they understood that the product is good to be bought, then they will pay for the product and the transaction will be tracked so that the customer will get the product and the affiliate will receive his commission, his or her commission. You understand? So even if it is a digital product or an offline product, let's say physical product, it can still be tracked. And once it is tracked, the affiliate has done their job, and their job is only to recommend. So then the company will pay them. The duty of the job then is the customer services are then left for the company that paid the affiliate commission to discharge the product to the customer who bought the product from the affiliate. So why people always make this affiliate marketing very open is because they try to refer customers, and the customers that are being referred are always online. It's people that are online that are being referred. You don't need to go from places to places or from contact to contact telling them about a particular product. One more thing, one of the things that makes affiliate marketing, especially in Expatriate, to look as a bring two person that will bring three persons that will bring five persons, is because there is a product called 72IG which teaches people how they can be a good and high paid affiliate, how they can earn high through affiliate marketing, how they can learn how to build websites, sales funnel, learn how to do email marketing, learn how to build websites on their own, get templates that will help them to advertise a product, learn how to track a product, learn how to choose a product of their choice, learn how to also place the product on their website or on their ad on the platform that they are running ad. So all these things are what are contained in 72IG. And then when people promote 72IG, when a customer purchases 72IG, the person will have automatic membership into Expatriate. Expatriate is a marketing platform, is a digital market platform. So they will have access to Expatriate for 1 full year. So now, because the people advertise about this product called 72IG, which if bought, the person that bought the product will have access to Expatriate and also become an affiliate. Now others begins to wonder if this product is for real, or if it is not a program of bringing two persons that will bring three persons, or when we say referral, which actually is not a problem, but the concept of bringing two persons that will bring three persons. So because of this 72 IG that are being sold to customers, to prospects who wishes to become affiliate, especially in Espartania, then when they buy this product, they will automatically become a member of Espartania. In fact, they will have access to Espartania and can be able to sell digital products online and make 6 to 7 figures weekly. Yes, you can make 6 to 7 figures weekly simply by marketing digital products online. These digital products are the products that has been well developed by individuals and registered in Espartania. Watch my video in the description of this video and you will see where I explained what digital marketing is all about, and also what affiliate marketers does, and also what those digital products are, with examples, with illustrations of what those things are. You can find it in the description of this video. Kindly watch it and also understand better of what digital products are, and also what affiliate marketing is in quote, and also other forms of affiliate marketing in the physical products that are related to physical products. So affiliate marketing is not a business of bring two persons that will bring three persons so as one for make money. You will have to sell products. You will learn how to sell these products with the help of 72 IG. And that is why some people who sell 72 IG as well will also receive commission for selling that 72 IG. There are currently, as at the time of recording this video, which is on the 25th of March 2022, there are currently 73 digital products in Espartania, whereby you can choose any of them that you feel you are good at selling. 72 IG will also teach you how you can research for products and know which of them that are good for you to sell. That is why people talk about it. It is not really about to tell you how you can make money, but for them to show you a cool guide that will help you to make the money, and they will also make money. So if you feel like if it is working, they wouldn't tell you. Yeah, you can have such mentality, but the fact is that they are not telling you so that they will refer you, rather to also sell the product, and that is not the only product they sell. So if you really want to come into affiliate marketing and make 6 to 7 figures, when I say 6 figures, I mean 100,000 to 900,000 naira, and 7 figures is 1 million naira to 9 million naira. So there are people who makes close to 8 figures on weekly basis as well. So you too can make such good amount of money simply by purchasing 72 IG. And you also, I offers free mentorship on what affiliate marketing is all about and how you can do well in affiliate marketing space. So let's also consider the simplest channel of what affiliate marketing is. It is an art of generating an income by recommending other people's or companies' products. So what is left for you is a product here. It's a product here, and a product. Let me show you very well. A product. So here, this is it. So this is a product. Here you are. Here you are at the middle. Then you bring in product. You have a product. Though this product is not owned by you, but by a company. So then, what is left for you is to bring this product and present before the customers. And when they make payment for this product here that I'm pointing an arrow, then you will receive a commission. The company will pay you a commission, and this product will be sent to this customer that you recommended this product to. And you recommend this product even if you don't know the person. The duty is for you to just use the technique, the strategies that you will learn from 72 IG and from my own free mentorship program, which I will still drop a WhatsApp link through which you can contact me to join my mentorship program, for you to have access to the tips of becoming a high-paid affiliate marketer. You can make millions within a week or months, depending on the amount of work you input. So this is a very simple and easy making money online. Other than other fields like crypto and blogging, you need consistency and patience before you can make your money after having monetized your website. And also for crypto, you need to actually learn how to manage risk. Crypto is all about risk management. You can also make it big through crypto, but in affiliate marketing you don't lose anything. You don't lose anything. You only sell products that are not even owned by you, so long as you've registered in a digital marketplace. So if you still have a doubt of whether affiliate marketing is a bring to person that will bring 3 persons or 5 persons into a business, kindly change such mindset, reset the mindset, and understand that this is a business of bringing products to customers. So the people that let you know about such product, how you can make money, are selling that course to you, and those courses are very valuable. They are very useful. If you buy it, your life will never remain the same in terms of being financially handicapped. So try to grab this opportunity. Remember, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, kindly subscribe to this video and turn on the notification bell, so that when we upload a video of this nature or video of likewise how to make money, you can be able to benefit from it. Have a good time. Thanks for stopping by. My name remains Danny Kane. We shall meet next time. Thank you.